Good morning, students. Today our class is social science and we will start a new chapter, location and time. I will not read textbook. I make it in a shorter form that you can understand easily. Let's start unit number 5, location and time. Latitude are imaginary circles drawn on the globe of the earth in east-west direction. Longitudes are imaginary semicircle drawn on the globe in north-south direction. There are numerous stars in the sky. The bright pole star is seen in the north. The 0-degree longitude which passes through Greenwich, a suburb of London in England, is called Greenwich Line. It divides the earth into two parts, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. The biggest time clock of the earth is the sun. The time on the earth is decided by the location of the sun and help the longitude. The earth completes one full rotation in 24 hours. There are 360 longitudes. Thus, 15 longitude pass in front of the sun in an hour. So, one longitude takes about 4 minutes to pass in front of the sun. So, the subsequent two longitudes have 4 minutes of difference in time. The time of any place at the midday is considered to be its local time. Midday means 12 o'clock. At all places on the same longitude have the same local time, while different places in the same country have different local times. The local time of an important town on the longitude passing almost through the central places is considered to be the main time of national convenience is called standard time. The standard time for India is calculated for the 82.5 degree east longitude which passes nearby Allahabad. When it is 12 at noon at Allahabad, it is considered to be 12th noon for the entire nation. The 180-degree longitude is called international date line. Date and day are changed when it is crossed. It passes over the Pacific Ocean. There are many islands in this ocean. If the international date line is drawn straight, it will pass through on those islands. So there would be 2 dates and 2 days on the same day on all these islands. To avoid this problem, the international deadline is so drawn that it is shifted over the sea only and does not pass through any island. This is why the international dateline is zigzag. This is a small chapter, so it is completed. I hope you can understand and read 2 or 3 times. There are lots of drawings are there in your workbook. There are also drawings you have to draw and send me accordingly. Okay, see you in next class. Thank you very much.